Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome again to Mathematics and I. It is your favorite presenter, Jeff Naido, and today we are going to be solving a question on log reading. Okay, common log reading to be precise. Now, if you take a look at this question, we have log 10 to the base of 10 minus 2 log 1 over 5 to the base of 10 minus log 2.5 all to the base of 10. Now, the first thing you get to understand here in this question is that the whole of the log has a common base, and this is base 10. Now, because the bases are common, it means the laws of logarithm will work, which says minus becomes division sign, and also minus becomes a division sign. But I can't just apply that now because this is what we're going to do. Here, there is no number at the back of log, but here we have 2. Now, you should understand that before 2 came here, it was formally like this. We have a law that says log n raised to power n. It says n goes to the back and becomes the product of log n, which is n log n. So it means before 2 came here, it was formally a power of 1 over 5. So what I'm going to do is this: I will take it back to where it came from. And then 2.5 can also be written as 25 over 10 in terms of fraction. So if 5 should cancel out 25 and 10, I'm going to be having 5 over 2. So it means, first of all, we can't just apply the law, we have to simplify first. So in place of 2.5, we are going to give 5 over 2. And in place of 2 log 1 over 5 base 10, we are going to give log 1 over 5 all squared to the base of 10. So class, let's begin the solution. Alright. Now, we all know that the log 10 base 10 is 1, but there's no need. Let's leave it as log 10 base 10. Okay? Because the number and the base, they are the same. But let's leave it that way. So here C remains log 10 base 10 minus, now 2 goes up and becomes a power, minus log, okay, 1 over 5 all squared, okay, to the base of 10, minus log, alright, we just said 2.5 now is 5 over 2 to the base of 10. Now, when you have a square here, it means the square affects the fraction in a bracket. So 1 raised to power 2 means 1 times 1, which is 1. And 5 raised to power 2 means 5 times 5, which is 25. So here becomes log 10 base 10 minus log 1 over 25 to the base of 10 minus log, okay, 5 over 2 to the base of 10. Okay, now from this point, we can now apply the laws of logarithm, which says minus becomes division. So here, I'll pick one of the log because the logs are common to each other, the log and the base. So I'll pick one of the log, and then I'll open a bracket. Now the number I have here is 10. Now minus becomes division. What I have as my number here is 1 over 25. Again, minus becomes division. And what I have as my number here is 5 over 2, all to the base of 10. Are you with me? It's very simple. It is only possible for minus to become division when the bases are the same. So if I should have base 10 here and then I have base 4 here, there is no way it can happen. Okay, let's proceed. Now we all know that in fraction, division changes to multiplication. And when division changes to multiplication, okay, what we have here, the fraction after the division sign reciprocates and becomes 25 over 1. And we all know 25 over 1 still gives us 25. So here becomes log, okay, 10 times 25. Now division also changes to times. So what I'm going to have here is 2 over 5. Because the fraction also reciprocates after the division sign. All to the base of 10. Are you with me? Alright. It is as simple as that. Now what we're going to do now is this. Now, we all know that 5 can cancel out 25. So give us 5. So it means we have log into the bracket of 10 times 5 times 2. All to the base of 10. Now we all know 10 times 5 gives us 50, and 50 times 2 gives us 100. So here becomes log, alright, 100 to the base of 10. But don't forget, 100 can be written in the form 10 raised to the power 2 in index form. So in place of 100, I'll give 10 raised to the power of 2. So here becomes log 10 raised to the power of 2 all to the base of 10. And where did I say the power will go to the back? It becomes a product of log 10 base 10 according to the law. So here becomes 2 log 10 base 10. And don't forget, log 10 base 10 is 1 because the number and the base, they are the same. So if log 10 base 10 is 1, 1 multiplied by 2 gives us 2. So it means the answer to the question for today is 2. See how maths can be so simple and easy. If and only if you put in your attention and you give in your time, you will be able to understand this perfectly. So class, we have come to the end of today. A very big shout out to those that viewed, and I hope you have learned and you understood all what I did today. Till we meet again in our next class, keep on watching Mathematics and I, and please don't forget to subscribe and share our videos. Bye for now.